Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So as today, POCO has globally announced its new smartphone called in C series called POCO C65. So as today in this video, we are gonna have a look at its specifications, guys, and lastly I'll share my thoughts, like my opinion, like what I feel about this handset in the last of this video. So guys, I request you to watch this video till the end, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to this channel to get more such videos of the smartphones in future. So let's get started. So guys, let's start with the display. So this handset comes to 6.74 inches HD plus IPS display and comes with 90 Hz of refresh rate, and guys also comes with Gorilla Glass protection on the top. Now coming to the processor, POCO C65 comes with octa-core MediaTek Helio G85 processor, and this is 12 nanometer based processor which comes with Mali G52 GPU. Now coming to the RAM and ROM, this handset comes with two different variants. So first variant comes with 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Second one comes with 8GB RAM with 256GB of internal storage, and microSD card slot is also expandable up to 1TB. Now guys, let's move on to the Android version. This handset comes with Android 13 out of the box with POCO UI on the top, which is MIUI. So MIUI 14 actually. Now coming to the cameras, guys, this handset comes with a dual rear setup. So guys, first sensor here is a 50 megapixel shooter and comes with aperture f1.8, and second one is a 2 megapixel macro lens. Now front is a 8 megapixel shooter. Now coming to the fingerprint sensor, this handset comes with side mounted fingerprint sensor, guys. Now coming to the battery, guys, this handset comes with 5000 mAh of battery capacity and comes with 18 watt of fast charging, so that's good. And now coming to the pricing, guys, starting price for the 128GB storage variant is $129 US, which is roughly around 10,725 Indian rupees. So now let's jump to the conclusion, my opinion. So guys, looking at the specifications, I found that for the price, specifications are decent. It is not bad and not that good. So I will make a review video and unboxing video of this handset when it gets launched in India. So till then, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below, guys, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you.